What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a second update video on the Revell 1965 Chevy stepside pickup. And as you see, I've been using paint, so let's go ahead and show you a little bit run through what the heck we did to it. So chassis interior is pretty much well patched up and it's basically ready for the body and on that final assembly. So I kind of want to show you this before we get this thing covered up with the body and stuff. So we got the engine and the chassis basically all patched up and looking fantastic. Like I mentioned, I did the whole chassis all aluminum because, you know, it's a custom truck, so he's not gonna paint it black. You just grind all the rust off. So, you know, it's a rusty truck he found in the junkyard, and you know, he modded it and got the rust off and just got the aluminum. So the axle painted aluminum, the drive shaft is light steel, and it just looks fantastic. The engine, like I mentioned, I was not going to go with the engine orange reddish. Instead, I'm going with the dark steel or light steel. My bad. And it looks pretty good with the red shear wires and black velvet covers. I mean, it just looks very cool. Very cool. Very simple chassis. I was actually missing a shock, so I'm gonna make new ones. I'm gonna make, like, you know, like more aftermarket shocks. So that's not a big deal. But other than that, the chassis is like 99% done. So that's very cool. And the radiator and stuff is also like gloss black. And like I mentioned, we are gonna go with the electric fan. So that's very cool. So chassis, you know, it's not too major. It's very simplified. And these older Chevys and Fords, you know, very simplified. And next thing that's simplified is the interior. The interior is a different color from the Ford. The Ford is dark sky gray and light gray, and this is black, semi-gloss black and dark tan, and it looks fantastic. I just love how it looks. The little carpet in the center area where the transmission goes in, or goes under I should say, but the whole thing, the only downside about this kit, there's no dash decals. I don't know why I didn't do that, but whatever. So just paint it silver, just kind of reacted to it. But we got the GM seatbelts in there where it says actual GM on the buckles themselves, so that's pretty cool. The door panels is black, and on the trim, I'm not sure you see it or not, but around here is gunmetal, just have a little like gunmetal trim around it. So it looks very cool, very neat. So we're glad how that turned out. Bottom side is nothing too special. Very simplified interior. And as I mentioned, I am going to go with dice. Now, I did do a poll on my Instagram story, which dice I should go with. White or black. White with black or black and white. So, a lot of people were saying black. So, black wins on the Instagram, but I'm going to have you guys vote. I'm actually going to put a poll right here, and I'm going to see what you guys think. Should I go with white or black dice for the interior? So, I'm going to have you choose, and speaking of body color, what's the body color look like? And here's the body. So, give you an example of the dice. Black dice and white dice. I was thinking white because the Ford has black dice, but whatever you guys choose, I'm going to have you guys choose. You guys are the final choose, or, you know, people who choose. So, but body, fantastic. Oh my gosh, this color is so incredible. If you forget what color this is alclad gunmetal. Literally the alclad gunmetal. I used whole bottle because it's a truck, so I kind of have to use whole bottle, but it's really their gunmetal. And as you see, it has this purple tint to it. It really does some weird stuff to the decals. It turned the decal purple, which I forgot I did that because I did that to the pinstripes on the Ford. But it's okay. It kind of matches the truck now, so I'm not too worried about that. But oh my gosh, this color is just so incredible. The clear coat went on so smooth. 3 coats of clear, very thin light coats of clear. I mean, oh my gosh. I'm telling you guys right now, in fact I mentioned this on my Ford video, if you have not tried the alclad gunmetal on a body, do it. This color is so incredible. It's like 4 different colors, different lighting. It's like midnight blue, midnight purple, out in the sun. It has to be out in the actual sun to be gunmetal, or in this case, just looks black. So, oh my gosh, this color is it's just so cool. At the bed, we got the decal that goes in the bed. But the bed just, again, another one other thing. And here's another thing, the Chevy emblem kind of turns silver or purple, as you can see there. But I think it adds more character to it, so that's actually pretty cool. Luckily, the pinstripe is still white, and the Florida and the Georgia license plate is still white. So, but I did add a pinstripe on the back tailgate because the Ford has that. So basically, you know, I want the whole exterior to look almost as identical as the Ford. And oh my gosh, this thing is just so cool. And I don't really, there we go, you can see the purple. I'm telling you guys, you have to be here in person to really enjoy this color. This color is just so cool. I mean, this is incredible. You can see the banana. Now, there is one thing that the clear coat went on perfect on the body and bed. Only one part kind of messed up is there's a little pivot right here, right there. So you can probably see it right there. There you go. So I was gonna sand that down, buff it out, and that's gonna look as new. And there's one right here too. So 2 little spots on the hood, but not too big deal. We'll get it buffer out, sand it down, and buff it. It'll look just good as new. But the hood, another thing, fantastic. And on the Ford, the bodies or the bumpers are also body color. So you got the body color on the bumpers, front and rear, and then everything else is black. We got the grill, all in this black. I mean, just so cool. And then for the roof, I did want to do a little bit something different. I did actually add some metallic on the roof because this is actual flat black I added, but I put some metallic flakes in it. I'm not sure you can see it. There we go. Yeah, you can see it. Some metallic flakes in it because the body color, the gunmetal is actually metallic. So I kind of want the roof to be a little bit matched. I think I did that on the Ford too. Not really sure, but oh my gosh, it just looks fantastic. You really have to paint the color on your body to really enjoy it in person. And then the wheels, I did mention the wheels. I didn't get the wheels last of the video, but I do have them in. And these are the Iwashima VXS 210, 19-inch, yes, 19-inch. So a few people on my Ford update video saying the wheels are too small, but that's the look I was looking for because it's such a crazy custom truck and needs some crazy weird, wheels. So these are the wheels I'm going with, and this is the only thing that's going to have chrome on it. So the whole truck has no chrome except the wheels, but the wheels are going to have black on it too because in here is black. I painted black on the Ford, and I can do the same thing on these ones. But as you can see, they do look fantastic under this color. And yes, I am gonna put a little slant, or what do you call those, cambered on this truck too, as I did to the Ford. So the whole exterior is gonna be the exact same. Cambered wheels, body color. Only major difference is the interior color. But that is it for now. Very cool. Just love this color, and it's be very cool. Had the Ford and Chevy trucks next to each other in the same paint scheme, so that'd be very cool. But until my next video, guys, I might do an update video before this thing gets patched up, so stay tuned. But until my next video, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.